Hi, I Vikramaditya Singh is going to present tuples in Python. Now tuples, it is a sequential of immutable object. It is just like list. Difference between the tuple and the list is that the tuples cannot be changed unlike list. Now how to create a tuple? For example, tuple. Now in tuple we can add multiple types of values. For example, so the output is the computer. Now we will learn how to slicing a tuple. Now here is an example tuple equal to Vikram computer Python and Java. Now for example I want a computer as a variable or output. So now we will print and we will write the index value of the computer. So the output is computer. Print, and if I want Python as a variable, then print. So the output is the Python. So now we will learn how to iterating through a tuple. Now here is an example. Now I want these numbers written in ascending order. Now see the output. Now updating tuples. Tuples are immutable, that's why we cannot change the value of the tuple. Its alternating way is to take value of existing tuples and create another tuple with these value as well as a new values. For example, tuple tuple 1 equals to 1 comma 2, tuple 2 equals to 3 comma 4. Now tuple 3 equals to tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Now in tuple 3, both the value of tuple 1 and tuple 2 will be added. Now print tuple 3. So the output is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now deleting elements from tuples. Now direct deletion of tuples element is not possible, but shifting of required content after discard of unwanted values to the another tuples. For example, tuple 1 equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now if I want to delete element 2 or value 2, now tuple 2 equals to tuple 1 index value 0 1 plus tuple 2 now print tuple 2. So the output is 1 and 3. Now basic operations in tuples. First is to calculate the length of the tuple. For example, tuple 1 equals to 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and tuple 2 equals to 4, 5, 9, 8, 10. So if we have to count the length in tuple 1, so we'll simply print len tube 1 and print len tube 2. So the len is the operating basic operation to calculate the length of the tuples. So the output is 6 and 5. So the length of the tuple 1 is 6 and the length of the tuple 2 is 5. It means how much values are there in tuple 1 and tuple 2. Now the second operation is to add the two tuples. So tuple 1 equals to 4, 5, 8, 9, and tuple 2 equals to 'Vikram' and 'KVS'. So now tuple 3 equals to tuple 1 plus tuple 2. So now it will add both the tuple 1 and tuple 2 elements or values in tuple 3. So now simply print tuple 3 so here 5, 4, 5, 8, 9 are the tuple 1 values and Vikram and KVS is this tuple second value. So now the functions and the descriptions of it. Now there are many types of functions in tuples or in Python we can use. So now first is to convert tuple into list into tuple. So let's type list equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. Now we have to convert this list into tuple. So simply x equal to tuple list, print x. So here the list is converted into now tuples. Now let's take another example. List equals to Vikram, computer, Python, Java. So now we have to convert this list into tuple. So let's say take list 1. So now z equals to tuple list 1 print z. So now it will convert this list into tuple. So here is the tuple. Now the second function is to find the min and the maximum. Now let's write a tuple 1 equals to one comma 3 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9. So now let's take another one. Tuple 2 equals to 3 comma 99 comma 22 comma 34 comma 56. Now tuple 3 equals to 4 comma 5 comma 67 comma 60 comma 37 comma 48. So now print minimum value of tuple comma min tuple 1. Now simply print min values of tuple min tuple 2. Print min values of tuple tuple 3. So here is the tuple 1, the min value is 1, in tuple 2 min value is 3, and in tuple 4 min value is 4. Now this now fourth function is to find the maximum one. So here we can write print max values of tuple max tuple 1 print max values of tuple max in tuple 2 print max values of tuples max tuple 3. Now if we run this file, we will get the maximum values. So here is the maximum values are 9, 99 and 67. So now the fifth function is count. It count the number of value, how much it is repeating in the tuple. Now tuple 1 equals to 2, 3, 99, 3, 4, 5, 6, 99. Now tuple 2 equal to 33, 44, 66, 77, 33, 44. Now print count tube 1. Now x equals to tube 1 dot count. If I want to count 99, so 99, then print x and y equals to tube 2 dot count. If I want to count 66, print y. So 99 is repeating twice in the tube 1 and 66 is repeating once in tube 2. Now the seventh function is index. It finds the index value of the value insert in the tube. So now tube. So now we will take tube 1 and tube 2. If I want to count the index value, so simply write z equals to tube 1 dot index. So whichever value index value you have to find, simply write I want to find 3. What is the value of index value of 3? And C equals to tube 2 dot index. I want to find the index value of 66. So now print Z and print C. So the index value of 3 is 1 and the index value of 66 is 2. Now eighth function is sum. Now let's take a tuple equals to 22, 33, 44, 55, 67. So now I want to find the sum of the tuple. So W equals to sum tuple list tuple print W. So the answer is 221. Now the last topic is linear search in tuple. It means the value in the tuple is found or not found. Just for example, 2, 34, 65, 54, 90. So if I want to found 65 is found in tuple or tuple. So let's check. So n equals to, let's 65 and b equals to false. Now we are losing loop here. So for I in range, len of tuple or tuple if tuple equals to tuple I equals to n, then B is true. B is true. And if B equals to true, then print found. Else print not found. Now if n equal to 69 is present in this tube, then it will print found, otherwise it will print not found. For example, now search, now run. So it founds. Now let's change the value. I will write 1 over here. So it will print not found because it is not present in tube. Now we can also check 100 is present or not. So it will print not found. Thank you.